Good morning, afternoon. Today we are learning about population disturbances with acid rain. Our SOL objective is to identify components of acid rain production and analyze its effect on our planet through research. Acid rain is any abnormally high amount of acid in any precipitation. So we can have acid fog, acid sleet, or acid snow. We can even have acid dust. So why call it acid rain? Well, remember that the lower the pH number, the higher the amount of acid. Normal rain is a pH of about 5.6, and acid rain is around pH 4.2. Acid rain is made. It's the mixing of nitrogen oxide or sulfur oxide with water in the atmosphere, which creates nitric and sulfuric acids. These are two of the strongest acids we know of. Some acid rain is natural. Volcanoes emit the same nitrogen and sulfur gases that cause acid rain. The problem is that most acid rain isn't from volcanoes. It's from us. Factories, power plants, cars, really anything that uses fossil fuels. Why do we care? We don't get burned by the acids when we get caught in the rain, so why worry about it? It causes a lot of damage to plants and whole ecosystems, statues and tombstones, historical monuments, and other buildings. The water cycle means all of these acids can affect us and our surroundings. What have we done? Take a close look at the map where the small red dots are clustered along the mid-Atlantic region. Now look at the large red blobs that show where the acids are falling. Notice they don't match. Our pollution is affecting other regions and countries. So what now? How do we fix the problem? Your job is to discover what we have done to control acid rain. Find a partner and remember, think globally, not just locally.